Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore self-employed health insurance deduction using W-2 versus 1099, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore the self-employed health insurance deduction, start by understanding the differences between W-2 and 1099 income. Identify your employment status, whether you are a W-2 employee or a 1099 independent contractor. If you are a W-2 employee and also self-employed, note that you can claim the deduction on your personal taxes. If you primarily earn income through a 1099, you may be eligible to deduct your health insurance premiums on your Schedule C. Next, gather documentation of your health insurance premiums for the tax year. This includes invoices, statements from your provider, and proof of payment. For W-2 employees, confirm if the health insurance premiums were paid through your employer. If they were, you cannot deduct these premiums again on your personal tax return. If your health insurance was purchased independently, ensure you have all relevant documentation. If you are a 1099 contractor, include the total amount of health insurance you paid when filing your Schedule C. Calculate your net profit from self-employment. This will determine your eligibility for the health insurance deduction. Remember, your deduction cannot exceed your net income from self-employment. Fill out Form 1040, including the self-employed health insurance deduction on line 17 of Schedule 1. If you are both W-2 and self-employed, include the deduction as an adjustment to your income. If you are solely a 1099 contractor, ensure the expense is reflected in your business expenses. Double-check for any changes to tax laws that may affect your deduction eligibility. Consult a tax professional if you are unsure about your specific situation. File your taxes accurately to take full advantage of the self-employed health insurance deduction. Keep records for at least 3 years in case of an audit. By following these steps, you can successfully restore your self-employed health insurance deduction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.